How to make money with ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about ChatGPT and how you can use this amazing and absolutely revolutionary AI software to basically enable yourself to make good money, okay? And we know nowadays that people are mad about money. Like people want to make money on their fingertips. And yeah, I understand. I do too. So that is why I bring you this video, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest ways to make money using ChatGPT. Okay, so it's going to be really great. It's going to be really simple, and I'm going to walk you through all of the advanced steps that you can use with ChatGPT. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end so you can learn the full suite of how you're going to do this. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first and foremost way of making money using ChatGPT is firstly using ChatGPT to write you articles and essays, okay? Now, you're probably wondering, how will that help me make money? Let me tell you. So, first of all, you're going to come down here and let's say you're going to have it write you an article on, let's say, write me an article on the history of, let's say, Stonehenge. Okay, the Stonehenge. There we go. And once you do that, as you can see, unraveling the enigma, captivating history of Stonehenge. So, as you can see, it goes on and starts giving you all the details. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take all this article and we can paste it on, let's say, blogger.com. Okay, we have tons and tons of blog related websites that we can add this stuff on. Okay, and as you can see, it gives us a proper introduction, a proper title, a proper heading, different types of headings, the building, the arrival of the stones, the circle, possible functions and meanings, evolution, modern exploration, conclusion, everything. So you could go on websites like blogger.com or maybe Wattpad or, tons and tons of places like these. And you can start uploading these articles. And obviously, blogger.com or Wattpad, these places are obviously funded by Google AdSense or, other types of AdSense places, which give you money for as many links or as many clicks and views you get. So that is one way to make money. Obviously, articles or writing stories or a whole lot more. A second way to make good money would be asking ChatGPT to give you good tips for, web stores and stuff like that. Now, firstly, to, get tips about web stores, what you can do is use ChatGPT to tell you a good store. So, what's the best website to make a or an e-commerce store that will have a good profit? Okay, you're gonna write that, enter. So, choosing the best website platforms for creating an e-commerce store depends on various factors. So, as you can see, it gives us the top three: Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. Okay, so let's say we're gonna go with Shopify. So, what type of e-commerce store should mine be like for good profit? Okay, I'm gonna write that, enter. And as you can see, it gives us all the tips, it gives us all the tricks on how we're going to actually end up with good profit in the end using all these stores. Okay, so you get the whole gist of it. It's pretty easy, pretty basic, and pretty smart stuff to get your head behind. Now, moving on, more, what you can do is further on, come down here to make more money. You could do affiliate marketing. Okay, now obviously we know what affiliate marketing is. Okay, it's basically when, for example, there's a store and that store has a product. Now we get a separate product key, which is basically a link, and it's a special link that is specially designed for us, okay? And we take that link and we start sending it around to people. We start sending people a link and we start, people start clicking on that link. And when they click on our specific product key link, they will be redirected to the main product that there is, okay? And when they're redirected over there, basically, when they purchase the product using our link, we are the ones who actually get commission. And that is an absolutely amazing thing to think about it, because the commission we get is absolutely mad. It's absolutely crazy. Now, how will ChatGPT help us? First of all, we can ask ChatGPT, so we can write, I have a affiliate marketing ad about a, let's say, Razer keyboard. Give me a good title and description accordingly. Okay. And you could obviously first make it write these things. So as you can see, unleash your gaming potential with Ultimate Razer keyboard. So there you get your title, your description, and obviously under the description or on top of the description, you can put in your product link. And obviously you can give good SEO keywords. Okay, you can ask it for SEO keywords, which is search engine optimization, which will help you, come in the top searches of Google. So as you can see, those are SEOs and pretty great and amazing stuff to have for your, affiliate marketing. This could even work well when you're making a website. Good SEOs lead you to higher search rates, and higher search rates lead you to more visitors, and more visitors lead you to more purchases. And obviously, as we know, more purchases lead to more money. So, yeah, that's the common gist of how you're going to use ChatGPT to make yourself easy money. And obviously, like, you could do a whole lot of other things. This is just like the top of the mountain that I've covered. You could, like, use this to advance to so many branches of making money that it's actually wild of how broad the whole spectrum of ChatGPT is. So it's pretty great. It's pretty easy and fun stuff to have for your page. And yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to discussing all these things. Now, yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it and found it informational, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I will make more videos like this for you. But yeah, that's about it. Till then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see all of you next time. Goodbye.